What up, people? Welcome to my first video. It's my top 10 Nerf guns. Let's start this off with number 10 being the Vulcan, number 9 being the Barrel Break, number 8 being the Firefly, number 7 being the Hornet, number 6 being the Tommy 20, number 5 being the Recon, and number 4 being the Long Shot. And now for the top 3. I don't know what 3's in there, but it's in there. The third, I should say, is the Long Strike. Number 2 is the Raider, like most of you have known it as Raider. Shut up, Kesha. Anyway, number 1 is the Stampede. Yay! Go buy the gun. It is a really good gun. Anyway, it's a cool gun. And thanks for watching from Nerf Wars Productions. Peace.